Bro, we need to start vlogging. What's up, people? This is Luke. Say something.
Hello. Wait, is it actually going?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, so we're here in Panama City. It's great outside. We're just skimboarding, play some spike ball. We're about to go to the pool.
That was bad. Anyway, it's gonna be awesome. We got like the entire week just to go out.
Show me your eyes.
We got all day at the beach, all week at the beach. It's gonna be so awesome. So let's get it. Oh dang, it wasn't even pointing. No, whatever.
And then the mom's like, "Oh, you can come in with us." And I'm, okay.
Did you say anything?
I was like, "Oh hey."
Okay. Well, I know you guys saw a bit of spike ball in our last video, but what are you doing? But we're a lot better at it. So
much better. You got to see some action.
Enjoy.
Great action.
She's got a habit, oh, with the hipster friends. Oh, she's the rough and the rowdiest kid. And there's more where she lives. Why should I spend time running for my life? Running for my life.
Please, let's go. Oh.
And when the skies open, we'll still be singing this. I know they're coming for me. We're not the pitchfork kids. Oh, it's the loneliest life that we live. Oh, we're not running with the pitchfork kids.
Heaven knows that I'm born too late for these ghosts that I chase. With these dreams I inflate, painted skies in my brain every day. I'm constantly lost, hanging in space to escape this old world, this old world. Some days I lie wide awake till the sun hits my face and I fade, elevate from the earth far away to a place where I'm free from the weight. This old world, this old world. I don't trust anything or anyone below the sun. I don't feel anything at all. I'm king of the clouds, of the clouds. I get lifted, I get lifted. King of the clouds, of the clouds. I get lifted, I get lifted. Some only live to die, I'm alive to fly higher than angels and outfields inside of my mind. I'm ascending these ladders, I'm climbing, say goodbye this old world, this old world. And when I fall to rise with stardust in my eyes, in the backbone of night I'm combustible dust in the fire when I can't sleep awake, I'm too tired. This old world, this old world. Don't trust anything or anyone below the sun. I don't feel anything at all. I'm king of the clouds, of the clouds. I get lifted, I get lifted. King of the clouds, of the clouds. I get lifted, I get lifted. Imagination take me somewhere I don't know. I'm lost but I better find it alone. King of the clouds, of the clouds. I get lifted, I get lifted. I keep searching, oh I keep searching, I keep searching.
Her body's cold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine cause she need it. A dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I figured out, the more I slow down the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind, we don't mind.
We're just speeding up here. So blurry.
All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean. And at night, I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that so kind, so kind.
You're messing up the video. Oh yeah.
All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night